Are you ready to unlock the secrets of getting more clients into your business? Then join me for an incredible 2-day workshop in London on February 22nd and 23rd, 2025. This event is designed to transform the way you market yourself and your business. Imagine walking away with the tools to effortlessly attract more clients, build a powerful online presence, and communicate your value like never before. You'll learn how to craft compelling media pieces, create captivating video content, and build high-converting digital sales funnels, all tailored to boost your success in 2025. This isn't just another workshop, it's a hands-on experience where you'll apply the strategies as you learn them. Picture yourself mastering the art of finally making an impact on how you get more prospects that turn into clients. By the end of these 2 days, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to elevate your marketing game and see real results. And here's the best part. If you book your spot before October 31st, 2024, you'll save £100. That's right, an incredible early bird opportunity to invest in yourself and your business at a discounted rate. You can more than double this workshop fee just by implementing one single tactic. Don't wait because spaces are limited. Secure your spot now and let's make 2025 the year you take your marketing and career to the next level. Join me in the heart of the City of London and become the master of your marketing.